Open with a mysterious montage. Show millions walking through cities, smartphones displaying payment notifications, and various online activities like shopping and streaming. Zoom into a smartphone revealing small charges. Every day, billions are exchanged in unnoticed businesses. Not banks, nor oil companies, but hidden services. They charge us small amounts, often overlooked. But these tiny payments fuel a business worth hundreds of billions. Display. The $100 billion business nobody notices. Explain the concept with an animated city. Show consumers engaging in tiny transactions like subscriptions and delivery charges, with dollar signs flowing into large companies. Modern fortunes often emerge from tiny payments, multiplied massively. Just a few dollars here and there can build extraordinary businesses. Individually invisible, collectively powerful. Introduce. Small payment times enormous scale equals enormous revenue opportunity. Illustrate platforms earning from digital marketplaces, app stores, and SaaS subscriptions. Use animated diagrams for clarity. When you buy online, you engage a larger financial system. Payment processors earn from transactions, platforms collect fees, and advertisers monetize attention. You're not just buying, you're part of a financial machine. Highlight. The customer thinks they're buying. The platform builds a revenue engine. Display a timeline of recurring payments. Show thousands entering the system over months. Recurring revenue is a potent idea. One customer pays $10 monthly. Multiply by 1 million, and that's 10 million monthly. It's automatic, no new decisions needed. Illustrate a snowball evolving into a financial engine. The secret lies in scale, not individual payment size. Digital technology allows rapid customer service growth. A business can thrive without a physical presence. Show. The internet turned small payments into massive systems. Explain the ecosystem. Payments, marketplaces, subscriptions, and financing. The hidden economy isn't one company. It's an interconnected ecosystem. Each part contributes to massive infrastructure. Show payments seamlessly flowing between consumers and companies. Together, they form the backbone of the digital economy, change atmosphere. Show a person using a banking app, revealing small charges. This business is hard to notice. We recognize large expenses, but forget small charges. Businesses exploit this psychology. Small payments can add up to large sums. Illustrate hundreds of payments merging into one large figure. Convenience may disguise spending patterns. Introduce potential pitfalls, using visuals of auto-renewals and one-click purchases. The system simplifying transactions can also blur expenditure awareness. Painless small fees lead to a shrinking budget. Show a budget diminishing over time. Convenience has value, but it's not without cost. Show futuristic financial technologies like AI-powered commerce and digital wallets. This hidden business could grow further. Future transactions may become nearly invisible, relying on intelligent systems. Finish with the phone display of tiny payments, then zoom out to reveal a global perspective. The real lesson? It's not about a single hidden giant. Modern finance builds extraordinary businesses from tiny, frequent interactions. Encourage viewers to reflect on their transactions. Next time you click pay or renew a subscription, ask, who profits? How, and what happens at scale? Sometimes, the biggest businesses hide in plain sight. End with the *finance flow * logo and text. *. Follow finance flow for more money stories. * fade to black. As the camera pans over dazzling cityscapes filled with bright lights, each building symbolizing different industries, the voiceover continues. Across this vibrant metropolis, the heartbeat of commerce thrives in unseen corners. Cut to a scene of a busy cafe, people engrossed in their devices, unaware of the fees they accrue with every purchase. With each click, each sip of coffee, the ecosystem creates a ripple effect of financial transactions that many overlook. Transition to an animated infographic showing the flow of money. From streaming services to delivery apps, these platforms leverage the power of convenience, subtly reaping the rewards without drawing much attention. As we delve deeper into this hidden economy, the screen fills with visuals of animated dollar signs swirling around a growing tree representing wealth. Imagine a world where every platform cultivates a garden of small transactions, where each tiny fee serves as nourishment. The animations evolve, revealing sprawling networks connecting consumers with diverse services, highlighting how every interaction feeds into the larger system. This garden of revenue doesn't just bloom, it flourishes, rooted in the collective behavior of millions. The focus shifts to app icons representing various services, trapping viewers in a cycle of perpetual spending. In a landscape rife with choices, users seamlessly drift from one service to another, often unaware of the cumulative costs. A pie chart emerges, visually breaking down the components of a consumer's monthly expenditures. It's essential to understand the influence of convenience over our spending habits, as each subscription compounds the financial ecosystem. As we zoom out, the connected graphs illustrate a thriving network of interdependence. In this ever-evolving scenario, the smallest actions can lead to substantial growth, proving that even the lightest touch can send waves through the vast ocean of finance. As the animation progresses, a striking visual of countless tiny transactions begins to coalesce into a monumental structure, symbolizing the hidden economy's strength. What seems trivial at first is actually the foundation of an epic financial landscape, where the smallest charges contribute significantly. The screen shifts to highlight real-time data on mobile devices and credit card notifications, illuminating just how quickly these small payments accrue. Consumers often overlook these transactions, but their impact is monumental when viewed through the lens of volume. A glowing graphic showcases a bar chart, illustrating growth in revenue derived from these seemingly insignificant fees. Consider how swiftly a chain reaction begins. Every dollar spent breathes life into businesses, fueling innovation and development. The camera zooms into a cluster of user accounts, each linked by webs of tiny payments that weave through the digital financial fabric. Every interaction, every subscription renewal is a thread that strengthens this intricate tapestry of commerce. The voiceover continues, it's a thriving ecosystem, often left unnoticed, yet profoundly influential. As the visuals pulse with energy, the narrative fosters an urgency to recognize this hidden monster of finance. When we comprehend the scale of these operations, we begin to appreciate the underlying forces shaping our economy. As we dive deeper, the scene shifts to a consumer scrolling through a shopping app, casually adding items to their cart. Each selection feels harmless, yet every addition incurs a fee, incrementally inflating the total. The camera zooms in on the checkout screen, where fees appear in fine print. Hidden behind discounts and promotions, these charges accumulate silently, often escaping notice until the bill arrives. Transition to a visual showcasing a calendar, highlighting monthly subscription dates. Mark your calendars, for the moment of truth arrives. The rhythm of recurring payments can slip past our awareness. The viewer is reminded to stay vigilant amidst all this convenience, as the narrative takes a reflective turn. Awareness is the key. A disciplined approach to spending can fortify our financial well-being against the subtle forces at play. As we navigate this intricate web of transactions, a close-up focuses on a series of notifications buzzing on a smartphone screen. Notifications alert us to payments, yet they often blend into the background of our busy lives. The camera lingers on the screen, revealing how these alerts become mere background noise. In a world driven by speed, it's easy to accept every small fee without a second thought. Understanding this complex network is crucial, as it empowers consumers to take control. By recognizing the power of small payments, we can navigate our spending habits more consciously. Knowledge is the first step towards financial awareness. After all, It's the small things that often hold the greatest significance in our economic landscape.